Some trucks are built to move freight, but a select few become unforgettable legends. Throughout trucking history, no design has captured attention quite like the classic Cabover. With the driver seated high above the engine, these machines combined raw power, bold styling, and an unmistakable road presence that turned every highway into their stage. For decades, they hauled massive loads across continents, earned the respect of professional drivers, and became symbols of strength, endurance, and freedom. Today, we're counting down some of the greatest Cabover trucks ever created, machines that changed the trucking industry with their incredible performance, innovative engineering, and timeless designs. Make sure you stay until the very end, because the final truck on this list is widely considered the greatest American Cabover icon ever built, a machine that continues to inspire truck enthusiasts around the world. Our journey begins with the legendary Ford CL 9000. During the early 1970s, Ford made a bold decision to compete in the premium heavy-duty trucking market, and the result was the remarkable CL 9000. Built in the United States, this truck quickly gained a reputation for blending rugged strength with driver comfort, something that wasn't common at the time. Beneath its towering cab, customers could choose from powerful Cummins or Caterpillar diesel engines, with one of the most respected versions featuring a massive 14-liter inline-six capable of producing more than 350 horsepower. Combined with outstanding torque, the CL 9000 could haul enormous loads across thousands of miles with impressive reliability. Its 13-speed manual transmission gave drivers precise control over steep grades and demanding highways, while its heavy-duty leaf spring suspension and sturdy rear-wheel drive system provided excellent stability under full loads. Despite its size, many drivers were surprised by how smooth and comfortable it felt behind the wheel. Its commanding appearance, featuring a tall cab, expansive windshield, and unmistakable engine rumble, made it impossible to ignore. Long-distance truckers often remembered the unforgettable experience of driving through the night with nothing but endless highway lights and the steady sound of the engine accompanying them. Ford also paid special attention to the interior, offering spacious sleeper cabs, improved seating, and better sound insulation than many competitors, making life on the road far more comfortable for drivers spending weeks away from home. Yet, while Ford impressed America, Europe was preparing a revolution of its own. That revolution came in the form of the DAF 2800 and its even more powerful sibling, the DAF 3300. Instead of focusing purely on size, DAF concentrated on efficiency, reliability, and driver comfort, creating trucks perfectly suited for Europe's demanding road network. Introduced during the 1970s, both models featured dependable 11.6-liter inline-six diesel engines. The 2800 produced approximately 280 horsepower, while the 3300 raised performance beyond 330 horsepower, making both trucks among the strongest European haulers of their era. Their multi-speed manual gearboxes allowed drivers to maximize torque over steep mountain passes and long international routes, while reinforced suspension systems delivered excellent balance even with fully loaded trailers. Although physically smaller than many American competitors, these Dutch-built trucks proved they could transport massive cargo while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Inside the cab, drivers experienced a completely different level of comfort. The elevated seating position offered outstanding visibility, controls were thoughtfully arranged, and the cabin provided more space than many rival trucks. The engine note remained smooth yet powerful, creating a refined driving experience without sacrificing heavy-duty character. Thousands of European truckers practically lived inside these machines while transporting goods across borders, and many credit the DAF 2800 for helping establish the comfortable long-haul cab that would later become standard throughout Europe. But as remarkable as these European pioneers were, an even tougher American heavyweight was already preparing to dominate the highways. By the late 1970s, the International Harvester Transstar 4300 had become one of the most intimidating trucks ever seen on North American roads. Its bold square body, enormous cab, and aggressive styling projected confidence from every angle. Underneath that unmistakable cab sat a choice of legendary Cummins, Caterpillar, or Detroit diesel engines, with several versions delivering well over 400 horsepower and enormous pulling power for demanding long-distance hauling. Matched with a heavy-duty manual transmission, the TranStar effortlessly tackled endless interstate highways while remaining firmly within its ideal power range. That truck was the legendary White Freightliner, a machine that perfectly represented the golden age of North American trucking. Created through the partnership between White Motor Company and Freightliner, it quickly became one of the most recognizable cabovers ever to cruise American highways during the 1970s and 1980s. Beneath its bold, square-shaped cab, buyers could choose from trusted Detroit diesel and Cummins engines, many producing well over 400 horsepower with tremendous torque for heavy long-distance hauling. Paired with a dependable 13-speed Eaton-Fuller manual transmission, the White Freightliner handled demanding workloads with confidence while remaining surprisingly easy to maneuver through crowded freight terminals and busy cities. Its towering cab, polished chrome accents, and unmistakable exhaust note gave it a personality that few trucks could match. And because the driver sat directly above the front axle, every mile felt exciting and connected to the road. The truck's popularity even extended beyond the transportation industry, appearing in movies and television shows that helped cement its legendary reputation. Meanwhile, across Europe, Mercedes-Benz was introducing another engineering masterpiece. The NG 1632, part of the famous new generation lineup, quickly earned worldwide respect for combining durability, comfort, and reliability. Powered by a massive 16-liter V10 diesel engine producing around 320 horsepower, it delivered smooth, dependable performance that made difficult